In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in with SSO in AWS. First, start by opening your preferred web browser and perform a search for AWS. Once you locate the official AWS website, click on it to navigate to the main page. Here, you'll see the Sign In option prominently displayed. Click on Sign In. Now, you'll need to decide whether you're logging in as a root user or an IAM user. Root users have full access, while IAM users have permissions as defined by their admin. So, choose accordingly and enter your credentials to log in. After successfully logging in, your next step will be to find the Services tab. Clicking on Services will reveal a menu with numerous options. What you're looking for is under the Security, Identity, and Compliance section. Scroll down within that section until you find IAM Identity Center. Clicking on that will direct you towards the identity management aspect of AWS, where you can configure your SSO settings. Now that you're in the IAM Identity Center, you'll see an option to confirm identity source. Select this option, and it will guide you through verifying your current source of identity, ensuring you're set up correctly. Next, you want to shift your attention to Identity Source Settings, where you have to select Change Identity Sources. This is where you'll identify and confirm how your identity is authenticated when accessing AWS resources. Once you're in the Choose Identity Source section, you'll see the External Identity Provider option. This is important for configuring SSO because it allows you to use an external provider to authenticate your access to AWS. Select this option. Doing so indicates that AWS will look for your credentials from this external source instead of the built-in option. To complete the setup, you'll need to download the metadata. Click on Download Metadata to save an XML metadata file to your computer. This file contains crucial information that describes your identity provider settings. Additionally, right below this, you'll notice the ACS and SSO issuer URLs. It's a good idea to directly copy these URLs and keep them handy, as they might be required for further configuration or verification by your identity provider. And that's it. You've now set up your AWS account to log in via SSO using an external identity provider. This setup enhances security by centralizing authentication access while streamlining the login process across different platforms you may be using. Remember, these steps are crafted to facilitate seamless access and better security management, essential in today's interconnected workspace. By following along, you'll not only secure your AWS environment, but also simplify your workflow with efficient single sign-on access. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.